In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list hundreds of products to Facebook Marketplace instantly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a large batch of items live in one smooth session using the Marketplace tools built right into the Facebook app. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so your photos upload quickly and nothing times out while you're working through a big batch. Next, head to the menu by tapping the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, go straight into Marketplace. This is Facebook's buying and selling hub, and it's where you'll manage everything related to your listings. Inside Marketplace, tap Selling. This view keeps you focused on your inventory and the actions you need to take as a seller. Now tap Create Listing. You'll see a few listing types. Choose Item. That option is designed for general products and is the best fit for most physical goods you're posting in bulk. On the listing screen, tap Upload Photo and select your images. Choose up to 100 photos of your products in one go. For best results, pick well-lit, clear shots that show the front, back, and any important details. Keep backgrounds clean and consistent so buyers can compare items easily, and avoid busy watermarks or clutter that can reduce visibility in search. In the title field, enter the names of all 100 products. Keep each title short, specific, and searchable. Think brand, model, size, color, or style. Match each title to the correct photo order so buyers instantly understand what they're looking at. Consistent formatting helps a lot. Consider starting with the product type, then key attributes. If many items share a pattern, reuse that structure for speed and clarity. Now enter the remaining details. Add a clear description that covers features, measurements, condition, and any important notes like compatibility or included accessories. Set your prices realistically based on the market, choose the most accurate category and condition, and confirm your location. If applicable, specify pickup or shipping options so buyers know how they'll receive the item. The more complete your details, the fewer back and forth messages you'll need later. When everything looks good, tap Publish. Your listing will go live and may be reviewed briefly by Facebook. Keep an eye on your messages after publishing so you can respond quickly and convert interest into sales. And remember, interfaces can vary slightly by device, but these steps remain the same. That's it. Your products are now on Marketplace, ready to be discovered.